Nutrien serves a big world with growing needs as the planet's population grows to nearly 10 billion people by 2050. Nutrien is committed to meeting these agricultural needs efficiently and sustainably. At Nutrien Aurora, we're feeding the future, and our facility plays an important role in that effort. The Aurora facility is part of the production process that includes a phosphate mine, ore refining facilities, and production facilities that make products for the agricultural, animal nutrition, food, and industrial chemical markets. Phosphate, a key ingredient in fertilizer, is used to improve plant productivity and crop yields. It's also an important supplement in animal feed, ensuring strong bones and improving eggshell strength and quality. While the Aurora site is mostly known for producing liquid and dry fertilizer, our phosphate is also used in food and industrial products. Phosphate is a nutrient we rely on every day. As one of the area's largest private employers with an annual payroll of over $80 million, Nutrien is important to the local economy. In addition to contributing approximately $8 million in state and local taxes, the Aurora site also spends tens of millions of dollars locally and throughout the state, purchasing various goods and services. It requires more than 800 permanent employees and hundreds of contract workers to operate our expansive complex, with safety as our top priority. Our efforts have been recognized by the NC Department of Labor, as well as the National Mine, Safety, and Health Administration, and many other safety-focused organizations as a best practices facility. Nutrien's safety vision is for everyone to go home safe every day. To achieve our vision, we're building a culture of care, which involves each of us stepping up to lead, collaborate, challenge, and trust. Lead means we are all safety leaders. We lead by example, model the way, and have the courage to speak up at work, home, or anywhere. Collaborate means we respect, support, include, and listen to each other. Our success depends on working together and valuing our diversity. Challenge means challenging the status quo and fighting complacency. We celebrate success, and we keep innovating and raising the bar. Trust means we follow through on commitments and do the right thing. We create an environment where it's safe to speak up and raise concerns. The Nutrien Way is everything we do to support and sustain our safety vision and culture of care. It includes daily practices, programs, systems, and tools for how we do safety in Nutrien. For example, working safely or not at all, identifying hazards and stopping work, pausing frequently to stay focused, using the right tools and personal protective equipment for the job, and above all, looking out for each other. In operation for more than 50 years, the plant is located adjacent to the largest natural phosphate deposit in the United States. A unique feature of Nutrien Aurora is the close proximity of the mine to the plant site, allowing the ore to be transported easily to the processing facilities. The phosphate ore lies more than 100 feet below the Earth's surface. To access the ore, mining begins with pre-stripping the upper 45 feet of clay soils, which is transported by 40-ton haul trucks, where it's used in previously mined areas to begin the reclamation process. After pre-stripping, drag lines remove the additional 60 to 75 feet of overburden to uncover the phosphate ore, which is about 35 feet thick and visible as a strip of dark, sandy material. Drag lines weigh about 9 million pounds and are powered by 4 2,000 horsepower electric motors. The huge dragline bucket can scoop up to 2,500 pickup truck loads of dirt every hour and is roughly the size of a two-car garage. After excavation, rocks are separated from the ore and water is incorporated to break up and turn the small granules into a slurry that's pumped through pipes to the mill. There, the phosphate ore is screened to remove oversized materials and washed to remove the clay. Then, through a process called flotation, the sand is separated from the ore and the remaining materials are mixed with a surfactant that brings the phosphate to the surface on bubbles of air. These bubbles are skimmed off by paddle wheels and then distributed throughout the facility for additional processes based on the final desired product. In some cases, the ore is further refined through calcination, which removes the organic matter by heating it to 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. Other products require the phosphate to be mixed with sulfuric acid. The plant receives molten sulfur that's converted to sulfuric acid and combined with the phosphate concentrate, producing various grades of phosphoric acid. Aurora's No. 7 sulfuric acid plant, constructed in 2010, one of the largest in North America, is also one of the most energy efficient. Heat created from the process is used to make steam, generating electricity for various processes throughout the plant. This is just one of our many efforts to sustain the environment and continue the company-wide commitment to maintaining low-cost, high-quality production. As part of Nutrien's commitment to high standards, we maintain several on-site labs which operate 24 hours a day, 365 days a year to ensure all products meet quality specifications. Moving so many products in and out of the site makes transportation an enormous part of our day-to-day operations. We rely on transfer trucks, ocean-going vessels from the port of Morehead City, barges propelled by tugboats moving along the intercoastal waterway, and an extensive rail complex connected to major rail systems that travel throughout North American markets. Nutrien believes in sustainable land use. Annually, we invest millions of dollars and thousands of hours into land reclamation, wetland mitigation, and environmental initiatives, monitoring, and research. As part of our environmental efforts, a multi-million-dollar water recycling system virtually eliminates nutrient discharge from the mining and production process. Any water pumped out of the mine that is not used in the mine or production process flows directly into the Pamlico River in its natural form. Water that is used in the manufacturing process is contained on the plant site and recycled for further use. During the phosphoric acid production process, gypsum is generated. Nutrien Aurora has pioneered a land reclamation process that blends the gypsum with clay to reclaim and revegetate previously mined land. Nutrien Aurora's reclamation success has earned the company many state and national awards. Understanding the value of wetlands to North Carolina's ecology, Nutrien is dedicated to recovering the phosphate resource with no net loss of wetlands. Our most recent permit has a wetland replacement ratio of 2:1, meaning for every acre of wetland impacted, 2 are replaced. Our site has been active in wetland mitigation since 1984, and during the past 25 years has successfully restored or created more than 10,000 wetland acres. We hope this video has provided valuable insight into Nutrien, our Aurora facility, and the products we produce.